Hey everyone, welcome back to Clash of Compare. Today, we're diving into the top 5 must-have kitchen products under $50 from Amazon. These gadgets will make your cooking experience smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started. First up, we have the electric vegetable chopper and slicer. This powerful little gadget makes chopping and slicing vegetables a breeze. With its sharp stainless steel blades, you can quickly prepare your ingredients for salads, soups, and more. Plus, it's easy to clean and compact enough to fit in any kitchen. If you love fresh veggies but hate the prep work, this chopper is a game changer. You can find the link to this product in the description below. Next, we have the Fradel digital kitchen scale with bowl. This scale is perfect for precise measurements, whether you're baking, cooking, or portioning meals. It comes with a removable bowl that makes it easy to weigh both dry and liquid ingredients. The backlit display is easy to read, and it even has a tare function to zero out the weight of the container. Accurate measurements are key to perfect recipes, and this scale ensures you get it right every time. You can find the link to this product in the description below. Our third product is the LAMU Lazy Susan Fridge Organizer. This rectangular turntable is perfect for maximizing space in your fridge and keeping everything organized. It features suction cups on the bottom to keep it stable and a large surface area to hold more items compared to traditional round versions. No more digging through the fridge to find what you need. Just give it a spin and everything is within reach. You can find the link to this product in the description below. Coming in fourth, we have the MIDONE Mandoline Slicer. This slicer is perfect for quickly and safely slicing fruits and vegetables. It comes with multiple blades for different cuts, including julienne, waffle, and straight slices. Plus, it includes cut-resistant gloves and a cleaning brush, ensuring you can slice safely and clean up easily. Whether you're making salads, fries, or garnishes, this Mandoline slicer is a must-have tool. You can find the link to this product in the description below. Last but not least, we have the FineDine stainless steel mixing bowls set. This set includes 5 durable and versatile bowls in various sizes, perfect for mixing, baking, and meal prep. They're easy to clean, stackable for convenient storage, and come with airtight lids to keep your ingredients fresh. These bowls are a staple in any kitchen, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef. You can find the link to this product in the description below. That's it for today's video on the top 5 must-have kitchen products under $50 from Amazon. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Clash of Compare for more product reviews and comparisons. See you next time.